What if I told you that $27 PDF documents can help you to make $24,000? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact types of documents. I'm going to show you my website where I sell these documents. I'm going to show you real proof and real sales that I am personally doing this. Then I'll show you exactly how I'm advertising and getting customers for these documents. And then lastly, I'll show you how you can do the same thing in the next 24 hours. As you can see right here, this is my own personal website where I sell my own products. You can just go to the website and check it out for yourself. But if I click right here at the top where it says shop, you will see every single product that I have to sell. Some products are from as low as maybe $122. I've got the $1,000 products. Some are cheaper. For example, I've got 30 online side hustles. I've got building your coaching business, drop shipping, launching online courses, smart money habits, and I've just got a lot of these different types of products. And a lot of them are just simple PDF documents that I created, and then they just help people to be able to do different tasks. For example, this one is one that actually shows people how to start and make money using YouTube. And you can see the price there is as low as $9. But now if I go into the back end side of my website, meaning where I can see all the transactions that are happening, as you can see, I've only made $67 in the past few days because I haven't really been promoting this website because I've got a podcast and I've been focusing on the podcast the last few days. But if I just change here where it says last 7 days, and then I just change it to this month, we're currently in November when I'm recording this, you see that I've made over $3,000 on this website alone. And then if I change this from this month and I change it to all time, that's when you see that I've made over $24,358 by creating and selling PDF documents, which I'll show you how to do in the next few steps. Now, also, if I click right here where it says orders, you'll be able to see all the different orders that are coming in on a daily basis. If I just scroll down, you see that these are all different orders that people have made. And if you check the dates there, obviously I'm hiding the names here for privacy reasons, but if you see the dates here, these dates are actually quite recent because I'm making sales on a daily basis here. Now, so that you know, I actually do have a training course where I teach people how to do this. It's called the 5-Day Digital Product Breakthrough Challenge, where over a period of just 5 days, I teach people how to find product ideas, how to create them using AI, how to create their own website where they can start selling these products, and then how to find customers to sell these products in just that space of 5 days. This challenge is for complete beginners, even if you've never sold anything online before, but it will help you to finally have your own product that you can sell every single day and finally start making money online for yourself. Now, at the time of recording this video, the price of this challenge is just $67, but the price is going to be going up to $97. If you click the link that's in the description of this video, it will bring you to this page that looks like this. And once the countdown reaches to 0, the price goes to $97. So I encourage you to sign up and let me help you to be able to create your own digital products. Here's one of our past students, and this is what she had to say about the challenge.
Who would have thought that I will be able to create my own digital products? I am so excited and feel so confident. Thanks to Marshall for creating such a good challenge. This 5-day digital products challenge. It's so amazing. You might think it's just 5 days, but I've just learned a lot. I'm just giving all my appreciation to Marshall. Please keep it up. Hello. My name is Dombi. Before I joined, I must admit, I was a bit skeptical and nervous. AI, it's not my thing. It's really intimidating. I've been hesitant even to join. I've been wanting to learn, but because of the background that I have, it's really intimidating. Nonetheless, I've pushed forward and I joined. I'm so grateful that I made that decision because now I can create a digital product already. I'm so grateful. I've been wanting to write this book. I've been wanting to share everything that I've been putting point to point. Now it's finally coming together. All right. So the way I like the most about Marshall is the way that he teaches. He teaches openly and honestly. It's so clear. Everything makes sense. He's got a way of encouraging his student. He will answer every question. With him, there's no stupid question, which I like the most. This 5 days, it really opened my eyes and it's really giving me hope for the future. Now I truly feel confident and I can create my digital products and I can create almost anything meaningful online. I've been wanting to go online and do something. Now I've took a leap of faith and I've joined this challenge. It's really inspiring. Marshall makes sure that you are confident. The 5-day challenge, this really changed my life. And I really believe that it will change yours too. Just try it.
Now, once again, the link to sign up is in the description of this video. Sign up and I'll see you there. Now, the first step that you need to take is that you need to identify problems that you can solve using ebooks or documents. So rather than spending the whole day trying to figure out what exactly am I going to sell, I'll just use AI. More specifically, I'll ask ChatGPT and I'll say something like, help me identify digital products that I can create and sell for profit as ebooks or documents. Now, I can go further and give it more instructions, but this is just a simple one so that I can show you how fast ChatGPT can come up with ideas for you. For example, it says that I can create a document that has to do with money and personal finance. I can create something about starting a digital product business, which is exactly what I do. Here's another one about self-help and productivity. Then here's another one about kids education. And then here's another one about AI and tech. And if I keep scrolling, it's going to give me lots of different ideas. So the point here is that you identify problems that you can solve just by asking ChatGPT. Then even if you don't have experience in these types of ideas that it gives you, ChatGPT can actually help you to create the content for you. Once you get those ideas, the next step is for you to just simply start writing the book. And you're going to be asking ChatGPT to write the book for you one chapter at a time. You simply tell it and say that I've chosen this one. Now help me to write the introduction, help me to write chapter 1, help me to write chapter 2, chapter 3, until the whole book is done. Then you just simply copy the details, put them into a document, arrange them in the right order, design a cover image, save it as a PDF, and then you can start selling it immediately. Once you've designed your ebook, the next step is for you to then put it on a website where people can actually buy, and then you start receiving payments. Now, inside of my 5-day challenge, I teach people how to use 2 different types of website platforms. The first one is this one, which is called Gumroad, which is free for anyone to sign up and use. But the problem with Gumroad is that they take about 10% of all the revenue that you make. So if you want something to start, if you just want to start for free, it's a great platform to start with. But let's say if you're making $1,000 or $10,000 per month, 10% of $10,000 is $1,000 that you're going to be giving them just for simply using their platform. So I would rather recommend that you use this platform, which is Creator HQ, which you only pay a minimum of $25 per month, but every single sale that you make is 100% yours. Let me know in the comment section if you'd want me to create a tutorial on how to use both of these platforms. Once you have done setting up your website and uploading your product to the website, it's going to look something like this, where people can come and see, and then they can just choose one of the products like this one. They'll find out all the details that they need about the product, and then if they want it, they can just add it to cart, proceed to checkout. Then they're going to enter their contact details and payment details and pay. And then immediately you get a notification that money has been sent to you. Now, once you're done setting up the website, the next step is that you need to start marketing the product. Now, let me tell you, there's so many different ways that you can approach marketing. I normally recommend just 4 ways, and these include you creating a personal brand, where you're just like me, you create content and you show your face. Or number 2, you go faceless, meaning that you create content without showing your face. The third way is that you can use influencers, people who have already got audiences, and then you just pay them a small amount of money, and then they promote your product to their audience. And then the fourth way is by using paid advertising. All these methods work. And in fact, there are many other ones, but the main key is that you need to just choose one and work on it, figure it out, learn it until you're able to start getting sales, and then you can move on to the next one. Now, just to give you examples of 2 of these, here's this one lady, she calls herself Faceless with Anna. And as you can see, she's got 29,000 followers. And what she does is that she creates content without showing her face. Like, for example, if I just click on this first video clip here, you see that she's just posting all these different clips. She's got this long message right here in the center, and she's got this caption at the top right here of her video. And if you just scroll down, you see that she's getting thousands of comments from different people. She's got 18,000 likes on just this one video. And you notice that she does not show her face at all. If I go to the next post, you see that she's doing the exact same thing. If I go to the next one, it's the exact same thing. And the way that she makes money from this is that she's got this link that she's got right here at the top. In these different videos that she'll be posting, she'll be telling people that you can click the link that's in her bio here, or she just sends the people the link directly in a message. But basically, someone will come and click on the link. And then as you can see, these are the different things that she's promoting. She's promoting something for free. She's got something that she's selling over here, and she's got something that she's selling over here. And so the way that marketing works is that it's a numbers game. Not every single person who follows her is going to buy a product from her. But the more people see her content, eventually some of them are going to start buying. And that's the exact same process that you need to follow as well. Now, here's another example of where you can actually get customers. Like right now, I'm just here on Facebook and I'm just going to scroll down, and eventually you'll see something that pops up like this, where it says sponsored. These people here are advertising on Facebook, and as you can see, they've got 2.4 million views. The way that they got those views is by simply paying Facebook to show this advert to people. So you can actually pay platforms like Facebook to show your adverts to people around the world. As you can see, this advert is got 2.4 million, it's got 319 shares, 468 comments. Now, I know from experience that in order for a video to get 2.4 million views, if it's being promoted, it means that it's getting this person's sales, because no one is going to promote it that much unless they're getting some actual results. The nice part about paid advertising is that you can pay, for example, you maybe just pay the platform about $100. And then if your advert is good, you can start getting sales. And then maybe you'll be getting $300 to about $500 back for every single $100 that you spend. Now, both these are methods that are guaranteed to work. And like I said earlier on, you just need to choose one of them, learn how it works, implement it for yourself, or pay someone else to do it for you. And then eventually you're going to start getting the sales. Now, talking about getting someone else to do it for you, not only do I have a 5-day challenge where I teach people how to do all this, but I also offer a done-for-you service, meaning that I can do the research for you to find the right digital products that you should be selling, and then I will create the digital products on your behalf. And then I will put them on a website, which I will create and make for you. And then I'll get onto a call with you, and then I'll show you step by step exactly what you need to do to start getting your first few sales. This is a done-for-you service that I'm offering. We'll actually build the whole platform for you and give you the products that you should be selling. Now, this is a Black Friday special. You're not going to see this special later on. But if you click the second link that you see in the description of this video, you see that you can actually get this whole package for just 3,000 rands or $172. Normally, I sell this for about $1,000. But because Black Friday is coming up, that's the price that you'll be able to get it at today. And not only do you get the done-for-you store, as I have just explained, but then you also get access to my 5-day challenge, which I spoke about earlier on. So if you'd love to work directly with me and you'd love me to help you create your own website with digital products where you can start selling in the next few days and start getting sales straight into your pocket or your bank account, then click the second link that you're going to see in the description of this video. This is exactly what I personally do to be able to earn money online. And now it's your turn. I want to help you to be able to launch your own online business in just the next few days. And all you need to do just to get that is just to click the link that's in the description of this video. If you do have got any questions that you want me to answer, just make sure that you leave your question in the comments below and I'll be answering all the questions. But if you also want real proof that this method actually works, check out this video next where I interviewed one of my students who made over $8,000 or 145,000 rands in less than 3 months. If she can do it as a stay-at-home mom, why can't you? I'll see you in that video next.